Folks, today I'm looking at a log cabin that has been gutted on the inside, and it's still got the siding on most of the outside. It has an addition over on this side here, which isn't really worth anything. The inside of the logs looks great, but the outside is where all the problems exist. For example, underneath this window over here, well, you can see some of the decay down there right at the floor level. When the building got siding added to it, the windows had extension jams on them, and they got furred out, and they leaked. And they leaked for years. So anyway, that's a problem. Up here, you can see the wall is bowed out a little bit by the amount of furring that is required here. And then over on this side of the roof, where they cut in the doorway and took out, cut through 3 logs, this wall here is bowed even more. You can see the additional blocking there. And then this is the frame addition. But anyhow, it's got a good, about a 4-foot high knee wall, which is decent height to use this space for bedroom and so forth. But anyhow, let's take a look at the outside real quick, and hopefully I don't fall through the stairs. Oh, got a nice clawfoot tub here. I'm doing a little recording here. Better than a bunch of pictures usually. Over here you can see this log for some reason got cut out. I don't know why that had to happen, but over here, this is what I was talking about. The window had a extension jam on the outside, and it still leaked for years, and took out the logs below it, and the log above it is bad because the upper window has been leaking the same way. And then over here on this side, there appears to have been an addition on this side, which is now gone, but the sill is gone on this half, and there's a big upward facing check there, which has been sucking water for a long time. The logs are pretty thick and pretty tall. Like this dovetail here is over a foot, so the log's got to be bigger than that actually, probably. But anyhow, the old chinking in here always seems to come apart and open up at the top side, and that makes it into a gutter, and it doesn't shed water anymore. So there's probably some other logs out over on this side that need to be replaced as well. And over here, this window we've taken off the siding on, and that doesn't seem to have the same problem, so this wall appears to be in better shape. And that's about it.